look like a rat. Anyways, today's a lazy Sunday, so we are gonna go for a walk. It is 47 degrees. And I'm going to take one of my dogs because she got a new leash and harness. And yeah, it should be fun. See you when I'm done with my shower. Oh, and by the way, I'm trying to do this thing where I vlog every day, just like memories. So let's see how this goes. Alright guys, we made it to the park. Squirrel, squirrel! Oh shit! They actually cared. They actually cared, y'all. I'm on the other side. Hopefully that works. It's working pretty good. After a while, Lola gets really good about walking. Lola's gonna get a drink. Lola. Oh, you okay? Ryder, you want a drink? Lola, here, get a drink. Oh god, there's two dogs coming our way. Yesterday, JD Vlogs had their gender reveal, and maybe I can react to it today. I have no clue if it's coming out. I got tomato sauce on my face. I'm excited. I'm trying to vlog every day, bro. Sound like Jake Paul. Old Jake Paul. So, yeah. Catch you when something interesting is happening.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.